think you have a good quotient of empathy? Are you an empathic? Do you try sometimes to put yourself in the shoes of the other person? Empathy means that you can, from your perspective, change it to the perspective of the other person. It doesn't mean that if that person needs help, you're going to jump in the hole with her, but you're going to be able to give your hand and help that person coming out. Empathy means when you are hurt, because that's where it's going to be very useful. When the person is hurting you or the person is making you angry, if you use empathy, the first thing is you're coming from your head because anger and everything else comes from here, and you're going to come down to your heart. Why would you do that? Because if you do that, you might understand why the other person is doing what she's doing. And unless you're facing a psychopath, people do not hurt other people for the sake of hurting other people or making them angry. They usually do it because something is going on in their lives. And unfortunately, most of the time, they're going to take that anger, that frustration with the people around them. So if you can be on the other side of the situation and understand why the person is doing what she's doing, you're going to be able at least to understand that it's not just about you. It's not she's doing me this, she wants this, she's. No, you're going to understand what's going on. And from there, you can look for the best solution. If that person is hurting you, obviously it's not because you understand that she's hurting you, why she's hurting you, that you're going to keep on going and say, yeah, go ahead, stab me, stab me, stab me. Life is beautiful. No, but at least you won't be so angry thinking me, 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 me. Same thing, when you see somebody in difficulties, instead of being judgmental, if you use empathy, you might understand that with a little step from your part, you'll be able to help that person. Empathy. People use empathy, and this world would be a much better place. Have a good one.